Have you got yourself a Google business profile? Normally called Google My Business, but it's recently changed its name and it's now called Google Business Profile. Now, Google Business Profile, I consider it as a SEO technique. So it's a way to get found in the search engine. A lot of people think SEO, their website, and it's all to do with their website, but it's actually not. It's actually to do with Google Business as well. So what I'm going to do is I want to show you the success of our own business profile, and then I want to show you where it shows up, what you can do, and basically how you can make most of yourself. So here we can see this is one of my company's MHE services, and we do really well off our business profile. So if I just press view here, we can see we've got really good profile strength, and I'm just want to show you our performance on here. So we actually do get quite a bit of business through our Google My Business. As a small business, it really, really does serve us well. So what we can see here is 8,698 people have viewed our business profile, and that's from November to April. Okay. So that's where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So we can see on average, probably get around about between 100 and 150-ish profile views. And the breakdown, we can see what people are searching for, how we show up. So if someone puts MHE, thought of training, the keywords that people are coming up for. And we can see here when we go to calls, that 74 people actually made a call to us direct from our business profile. We can see we've had 8 messages direct to our business profile, and we don't have bookings enabled. Directions, if you do have a physical address, we can see we've had 286 people on this business profile and 377 extra link clicks through. So when we're talking about your business profile, what we mean is if you search a company's name, so like MHE Services and ours, this box normally comes up and tells you a little bit about them, doesn't it? But also, let's just say I was going to search Olive Training. Then depending on where I am, the area that I'm in, it's actually going to show up on a map. So the map appears, and you can see we actually appear first on the map. And we wouldn't appear on this map if we didn't have a business profile. We just wouldn't appear on the map. So you have to have one set up to be able to appear. So if you can see here, the order here, we've got some sponsored ads. We have the related questions. Then we have the map. And then we have the results from your website SEO. So of course we rank second here anyways, but the map appears first. So if we wasn't on the map, then our business could be going to someone else instead of us. So this is why it's so important that, especially if you operate locally, that you have yourself a business profile, because it can make such a huge difference. And it is so actually easy to make sure that you can rank on the maps, which I'm going to give you a little bit of advice on it in a moment. So that's why we want it as well. But also, of course, people can click on website and that will take them to our website. They can press directions and it'll tell them how to get here. We've also got the reviews. So if it appears up on the right hand side, obviously I manage this one, so it's showing everything, but you can see the reviews. They can press write review and leave your review. So of course we've got over 100 reviews on here. So it works really well for us. And do you know how we make it so that we get ranked? It's making sure that it, the very basics of it is sorted out. So if I just go back in here. So what we do is make sure that we've got the basics, such as our profile, that has been edited correctly. So we're in the correct business categories. We've got the correct description, which has our keywords in there. We've got our website, LinkedIn, our address, all the areas that we service. And that's it. Happy days. That's all we need to make sure we've got. And then the trick is 2 things. Number 1, get reviews. So keep promoting to get reviews, because this helps massively with your ranking. But number 2, something that not many people do, is update either the photos or the Q&A. So if you update these, and many softwares do this automatically now, as in like you can schedule it. So if you've got a social media scheduler, such as Publi, for instance, you can schedule to it. If you've got some SEO software, what we've got our own SEO software, then that links into here as well, and we can post things in. And all you are literally doing is adding a photo in just to keep it up to date once a week. That's all we ask you to do, once a week. So like if we click on the photos here for MHE, you will see we've got loads and loads of photos that we've uploaded over time. And these are all just to keep us boosted, keep showing that we are an active profile on Google, and it's more likely to actually put it up. So this is why we definitely want it. If a little bonus you've got, it does pull through if you're on Yelp, if you're on Facebook, it does pull through your reviews from there as well. Here we can see all the different updates that we've been putting out, for the photos. So we can see all the different photos that we've been putting out to keep us up to date on there. And yeah, it's a fantastic way. It's free to use. You can pay now to get ranked on the map, but we've not felt any need to do that. And it's just so easy to do that you'd be silly not to be using this kind of marketing for your business, especially if local. So I hope that helped in explaining what Google My Business / my Google Business Profile is, how you can actually use it, and what techniques you need to be using to make sure that you're getting ranked up on that map.